go with our dinner tonight, I am going to be making a can of baked beans, and I wanted to talk about my new can opener. I was sent this can opener by Kitchen Mama, and it actually came at like the perfect time, like their email did, because my regular electric can opener, I feel like it's dying on me. Like sometimes it doesn't like want to lock onto the can. So I was thinking about getting something else. And then I got this email and I was like, yes, that's perfect for me. So I love it. It's super easy to use. It takes batteries. It takes 4 AA batteries. And I'm going to show you how easy it is. You just kind of put that on there and then press the button, and then you don't have to hold it while it does it. And then to stop it, you just press the button and it's done. You remove it and lift your lid. And it makes it so that this isn't sharp and you're not going to cut yourself. I have been loving it. I love how it's hands-free, so I can work on something else while my cans are being opened. I will have a discount code for you guys down below. You'll be able to save 10% on this can opener. I think it also comes in another color as well. But man, I have really been liking this thing. As I said, I've been testing it for a couple of days. I used it to make the pasta salad. You're gonna see later, we're having that for dinner as well. I used it to open the cans of tuna for that. And then I've used it on some green beans and stuff as well. And every time it works super great. So I would highly recommend this can opener. Now I'm gonna go ahead and heat these baked beans so we can have them with our ribs.